Hank? Hank, wake up. Who's here? Good morning. You fell asleep eating your dinner. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. You want some sausage? No? He just rubbed his eyes and now he's eating a noodle that was in his hand. Did you have a good nap? Hi, Daisy. Did you just remember that you were eating dinner? It's okay.